So the question given is that x cube minus 3x square plus 7x minus 2 is equal to 0 has roots alpha, beta and gamma. You're asked to find alpha square, beta square and gamma square. So how do we do this? So let us write the relations that we know between alpha, beta and gamma. So the sum of alpha, beta and gamma is equal to minus of second coefficient by the leading coefficient, that is minus 3 by 1, which is equal to 3. So alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 3. Next, sum of products of two roots taken at a time. Alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is equal to plus of next coefficient by first coefficient, that is equal to 7. Next, alpha beta gamma is equal to minus of last coefficient by first coefficient, which is equal to 2. So these are three results that we already know. Now from this, can you find alpha plus beta, alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square? Yes, we can use our very basic formulas that you have learned in lower classes. Alpha plus beta plus gamma whole square is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 times alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. This implies alpha plus beta plus gamma, which is 3 square, 9 is equal to alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square plus 2 times alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha is 7. This implies alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is equal to 9 minus 14 is minus 5. So in this way, using the relations that we have, we can derive various expressions that can be formed using roots. So if you are asked to find alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube, apart from this, you're also asked to find this. So how do we do? So we can use our formulas. Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube minus 3 alpha beta gamma is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma times alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square minus alpha beta minus beta gamma minus gamma alpha. So this implies alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube. This is what we need to find out. Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube minus 3 alpha beta gamma. Alpha beta gamma is 2 minus 3 into 2 is 6 is equal to alpha plus beta plus gamma 3 times alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square. I've already found it. Minus 5 minus of alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha. If you take a minus common, so you get 7. So this implies alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube is equal to 7, 5 minus 12 into 3 minus 36 plus 6, which will be equal to minus 30. So alpha square plus beta square plus gamma square is minus 5. Alpha cube plus beta cube plus gamma cube is minus 30. So similarly, you can find various expressions which are formed out of alpha, beta, gamma. Thank you.